Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Vice President Bariam jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ubak John F. Kharshiïng hene kasengi ula Pynïasoh LD bat kaseng National People's Party hakaba National President jongka NPP Konrad Sangma ula pedang subhaya Syaka Party ha kajingedan lang ubak sengaw halak dahar ubak nasakhiat lamare ubak Pynïasoh siem bat kiwe kinongelam kaseng habakran hakane kajing lang balangkot ubak John F. Kharshiïng ulayatu hadin kajing ino ya kaseng kongres nakaliang kajong umsyam la Pynïasoh sya kano ka parti dei tat hadin ba ulah pej benia bha uyoi ba kaseng NPP kadai kaseng ke baterai nak menta upaj ba jong kajela
gejela pinjui kecing keluar untuk belas hebat makin jumlah penting ho ya kecuk por ni semulem ya kita ki misim ladu mereka nasobat oba kisim ya ka rukom trekam ha ka covid pada gani Sorkar ha ka jingelam juga NPP balala ban tek lakam ya kita ki jinge ha ka jinge tre engkap ba ki borshkong ki palang ki kenhon paket ni kemah ki por mo aru ka no ai ko blei ki borshkong blei simbata ka ka teka sobat oba gani Sorkar kala le ya ki ka te habanga shimi ka rai bandrung syaka NPP nga shemba kadai ke Sorkar ke bala trekam langa pai haki wewe betar mo ngai ka jing trekam ka no ka ba bnia ba so ba ba ni don bok bakadon ka sakwe ka nongrim golong ba ni don bok bakadon ka seng zulung ka babi nang ye NPP ka bala kalalong ru ka National Party nimna mong subo menchwa ka mo nongela mu long seng ni de seng le ki sama ni kum kejela Meghalaya ni sorong bagi la yo pan meet yo Lok Sabha speaker ber lalong union minister ber to modu mate yo asyai ki mi ru kadon kala kan ti yo kala long ka National Party kadon ru kan ti le se ban pois ka kadon prime minister ni kum juri ni simudur ye ki bro ndek kala ja modu ban mudur bana jela Meghalaya don uban ni kum formal Lok Sabha speaker tikini ki long ki bang so ba ba ki don ki linti ki don ki senjang ki ba ni kum kibriu mimla otip kadai ka jing sandur bola jrong dai ga soba ha kadai ka por ka rajonga ka long bang shim halor ki jing trekam juga NPP party ki long bersyakira langa pai ha ko ka kam ka bang ju ya don ta kadai sport su ngai kadai Sorkar ha ka jingelam jong sui konrod ke sangma ba preston song wa sioba dang da ki jong ma da sket ki jong ma punya berkhot ki bala penni ya ka sports policy ke bala sateng la palat arpos nem almost 20 years sports policy was in draft stage the la penlong la pas ya ka sports policy how arjar ka kandai ha ka cabinet meeting ko tura la ni pai youth policy ru ka pas na kai te ho nimna ban pengkelai ko patrish michliet ngai ngai ba kani ka seng ka jingelam me ka jela ki la penki ban perkeladur di kejalan ini. Ladang apa syaki wig policy trikam ru kalong kaba syai. Ngayo iru bakani Sorkar chief minister buro ulong bakloi banyak kendu iki kenhun baper teng ngasih perkat hakadu du yok stamina ban kendu kaning teligi kenhun terima soba isan palang gini kita biar di mana bon ki tengah iba kani Sorkar kakuwa ben kendu nakama waktu ka kendung kerbam huntai po marpen dulu kadai tengah communication dah gap termatang apa lais ni masih wahai don tu la ya perben ikiti jinga kan kiki kalau ka Sorkar ka basngap ya ka sumpai ba ka Sorkar ka sngap ya ka sumpai ba ki syong haki mo ki kap na yu ba kadai ka Sorkar ka bala wara ru ka resolution halo ka ya pi pa ka pala balong na markan ni ka katalang ya ka home ministry kadai ka home ministry ko dia ndai hato ka Sorkar kala pas ni kata ka ika resolution kila ta pas ka coalition lang mo wat ki opposition du ki ka syang ni kata te ngasobat ong kendu kerpa lumba ka ni ka jinga kendu ai ku rei pi ki no pathai ko bo ba pin panai lam ka ku bo ba ka chingkar pa na kalen jonga ka long ya baro to min aila ya ka nik sen ba kan yo la kum no anum dunai suppose number yo penyai iki policy bobon ki ban bantoy ya haka lanjong ka haka kambai di bupu usang manubat mudur ba mentak kesini bonsen ni lapang kiseng balang iba mo ladi ko mangi ki giram pada Kibia point into boundary benih ya korban itu. Kadai hak ni kejialam jong ni seng. Hak kejialam jong ni chief minister mata. Ba chief minister Assam bat Meghalaya kilai munjur. Ban don ka ministerial team ka ban jungok ban pek ban pak ban pendiang ka report alor pun sa. Empat ya songi kata macam. Wan ada les ini don dijuk Sorkar posilong apa Meghalaya po Assam. Noi mentah ti wala da kam dai jo kaseng na po Assam ba hangni kapau ba ka jinge dai ka jinge karen ka wandur te hatongin ai la ki hata na ngin pen thut ki kata na te so ba kumba ka mata dai dai ban chupon plan be ki ni kaseng bahkan yo ban penya ya ki kam ki jam ban ora ki jumto yi pai ba.
For a gentleman like you who's been doing a lot of social work towards the betterment of every citizen of the state of Meghalaya, you have not joined the party without the best calculation from your side. So thank you so much for considering our National People's Party, and I strongly hope that with you being with us from now on, we will be able to do many more important works, developments, or many more services to the people of the state. Yes, we are without doubt National People's Party, who is leading the MDA government. Yes, without doubt, we have done a lot of important things towards the development of the state. But sir, from this day onwards, with your presence with us, I really hope that we will be able to do more things for the betterment of our state.
I think you will set example for the other political leaders from the other parties, so they should come forward and introduce the party. So Bajon, I know, is a man who's very much experienced in politics. I remember when we had congress together, he brings so many initiatives in the party, how to move forward, especially he's a man who knows, especially from the traditional head. He's very much experienced in that part, and also wherever he goes, the people which is nearby his area where he stays, they really respected him. And he's a man of principle. That's why a long time I keep calling him. But John, please come with us. Why you resign from Congress? Which party will go? One word he told me, Masamba, don't worry. I never jump blindly without looking in such a way where to go. And he already expressed that. What made him to join the MP party? He already expressed. It's facts, John. We from the party really have full confidence and trust in our national president, at the same time the chief minister of the state. And hopefully with you are here in this family, I think we'll be able to perform much more things in the days to come. This is my few words.
So it's a great pleasure today to welcome Mr. Jong Kharshiïng to the party. As you know, his family had been associated with my late father for a very long time, and we have always known each other and discussed so many important issues with each other. And today it is really a great honor, I should say, and great pleasure that Mr. Jong Kharshiïng is joining the NPP, and I take this opportunity on behalf of the party and all the leaders of the party to welcome you to the NPP. Welcome, Jong Kharshiïng. The Article 2, Paragraph 6 of the Constitution of the NPP reads, the party is committed to uphold, preserve and promote age-old traditions, customs and rich cultural heritage of different ethnic communities of the Union of India. You see, this is one of our principles and objectives in our constitution. And we know that Jong Kharshiïng has been one of the, I should say, torch bearers, flag bearers of this particular issue. And the kind of knowledge, the kind of information he has, and the kind of work he has done to protect the customs and the rights and the age-old traditions of the ethnic tribes of our state, and connected with other people from other states who are fighting similar causes, goes hand in hand with what NPP believes in. I have a lot of interest in, a lot of work has been done, and they intend to continue, and they've seen that this is a government and this is a party that has decided and has worked and focused and is actually taking steps, not only to protect the traditions of the people, but also to ensure that we protect the interests of the farmers, we work for the welfare of the farmers. And I'm sure that with his knowledge, with the experience that he has, he will be able to contribute to all these different steps that we've been taken for our people to ensure that we can make it even better than what it is. Because nothing is perfect. We need a team. We need people who have the knowledge. We need people who have the interest to come together and tell us, look, how about if we change this? How about if we improve these aspects? So all these areas are very critical for us. And once again, as I said, I would like to mention that with the kind of experience that he has, we will be able to improve on almost all the areas of concerns that are there in terms of the constitution of the party, the beliefs of the party, objectives, and the works that we plan to do. I don't want to talk too much about the work that has gone in. Mr. John Kharshiïng himself has mentioned a lot about it, and of course, in many occasions I have mentioned, so I will not take time to go into the details of the works of the government. But I would like to say this, that this is a beginning. And I am very, very positive and very sure that given the current political situation that is prevailing in the state, given the current political situation that is there, especially in the opposition party, we are expecting that more and more like-minded people, more and more people who really want to do positive change for the state will see that it is inevitable and it will be most productive if they come and join the NPP and they are working with us together in order to achieve their goals and their objectives as well as contribute towards the development of the state. So we do expect, and I do urge all like-minded leaders from different political parties, especially the opposition, that we need to work together. This government has dared to take steps which a lot of governments did not. This government has taken bold measures and steps and decisions which others got scared or did not have the guts to do at that point in time. And we're not saying that these are easy decisions or easy steps or easy stands. These are very tough. But we are very clear in our mind what we want to achieve and what we want to, how we want to move forward. Therefore, all these aspects require that we need the support of the people, we need the support of leaders to come and work with us so that we're able to take all these steps that we have started to the logical conclusion. And that is why, as I said, a lot of positive news and message coming for the people, for the stands we have taken, for the decisions we have made. As I said, not always the best and the easiest decisions to make. Some decisions are very tough. It's easier to look away. But then as a government, you will look back and see that we have not shied away. We have also been a government that has been very sensitive to the people. We have always ensured that wherever we talk to our people, we carry our people along with us. We accommodate them. We do consultation. We do dialogue. We discuss with people. We always believe that it's better to carry our people together. And that is the kind of outlook and approach that we have had. And that is why we are seeing that so many of our people, individuals, stakeholders have approached this government and are comfortable to discuss matters so that we can find resolutions amicably. And that conference is titled, the subject is National Outlook, Regional Aspiration. Can we have a national outlook and yet have regional aspirations and focus and work on issues that matter to the Northeast and the people of the Northeast while ensuring that we maintain our national outlook? So what I'm trying to tell you is that the NPP has been very, very clear in the objective that it has. We are a party, as I said, I read out to you just now, is here to protect the traditions and rights and the customs of our people. We are here to protect and fight for the people of our region. We feel the Northeast requires a platform, and NPP is going to provide, and it is providing a platform. And that is the reason why today, after people seeing the kind of work that we're doing, that people like Mr. John Kharshiïng and his friends and all his supporters today are happy to join and work with the NPP because it goes in line with what they believe in. And a lot of times people actually look at the constitution, they read it, but actually they don't implement it. But we as a party are very serious about what we stand for. And that's the reason why, as I said, this is a perfect match. I'm sure that in the entire objective of what the party is planning to do, we will see that Mr. John Kharshiïng will be able to contribute immensely to this cause and this concern and this objective and principle that the NPP has. Apart from that, as a political party, we have been very, very clear about issues of the farmers. If you look at the last many years, there has never been any program that works towards the welfare of farmers. If you recall, we had changed the name of our department from simply agriculture to farmers welfare also. And there was a reason behind it. We didn't do it just like that. We did it because we felt strongly that farmers and agricultural workers and producers form 70% of our population. And yet, the government is not able to provide them with proper support. So in the history of our state, for the first time, somewhere earlier in this year, in March 2020, we started the biggest farmers' social welfare program called Focus.